Today, I'm going to show you how to transform a mason jar into a lotion dispenser. So right here, I have lotion and I have a mason jar. This is a 6-ounce regular mouth mason jar. Very important that you know the difference between a regular mouth mason jar and a wide mouth mason jar. So I have the lotion. I'm going to be using Lubriderm dermatologist developed daily moisture lotion, which is good for all skin types. I'm using a fragrance-free, clean, non-greasy lotion. It has shea butter and glycerin inside of it. 24-hour clinically proven hydration that will help restore your skin's moisture barrier for healthy looking skin, because you needed to know all of that. So I'm going to be using this lotion to add to my mason jar so that I can transform the mason jar into a lotion dispenser. So let's get started. So with my mason jar right here, I'm choosing to use a 6-ounce mason jar. And it comes with the regular mouth lid on top. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply take off the lid of the mason jar. Now you won't be using this lid for the lotion mason jar, which I'm going to make. So you can put this aside, put this in the pantry or the cabinet somewhere. And on my right here, I have mason jar lids, rust-proof stainless steel pumps. And inside there is a pump. And there are straws inside of here, as well as a lid, a new lid that is going to go on top of the mason jar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first open up the mason jar. And inside is a lid, and it comes with a gasket right here. This comes with a gasket and a screw. And it also comes with straws. There's a long straw and there are shorter straws. Now, the shorter straws are going to be useful for when I use the 6-ounce mason jar. If I were to use something larger jar, I would use the longer straw. So I'm going to put the longer straw away for now. And then what I'm going to do first is I'm going to assemble the lid to the pump. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this part of the pump, put it in there. And it's important that you have the gasket in place because this will prevent leaks from happening. So I put that into place, and then I'm going to take the screw, and I'm going to end with the nubs on the top, on the side. I'm going to have it right there, and I'm just going to screw this in. Just like this. All right, so I have this screwed into place securely. So now that I've secured into place securely, I'm going to get my straw ready. Now, the straw has a slanted end right here. Now, this end is supposed to be at the bottom. Now, I'm going to put the straw in with the flat side. I'm just going to put it in securely. Doesn't take much. And then I'm going to place my lid on. But as you can see, my straw is too long for this jar. It just won't fit. So what I'm going to have to do is cut the straw. Now I have to cut it at the right length because I want to hit the bottom. I want to bottom out, but I want to be able to get the entire straw inside of the jar. So what I'm going to do is, without it bending, because if it bends, it won't work. Okay? If it bends too much, it won't work. It'll actually fold up. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and take the straw out. And luckily, I have made one of these previously. And so I had to cut it. And so I'm going to take the part that I cut and I'm going to use this to measure where I should, approximately where I should cut for the new straw. So it's right there. So I'll place this down. And then what I'll do now is I'll take my knife and I will cut it approximately the same length. Cut it straight across. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and insert the straw back inside of the pump. And then when I put it down, I'll screw it just to make sure that it reaches the bottom. Now we're here, and I'll be able to access the lotion inside of here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to unscrew the top, and then I'm going to take the lotion, the Lubriderm Dermatologist developed. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the top. I'm not going to try to pump it in. I'm just going to take that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pour the lotion inside of the jar. All right, so I'll put the lotion in there and then put this to the side. I'll put the cap back on this just so I don't get any spillage. And now I'm going to take the lid with it fully assembled with the pump, and I'm going to press it right here. And I'm going to just screw the lid back on so it's secure. And then I'm going to go ahead and pump. Now it's primed. Now I have lotion that I can use. Now that I have lotion coming out the pump, the next thing I'm going to have to do is rub the lotion in because my hands were quite ashy. Then I'm going to take my labels that came with the lid. I'm going to go ahead and find the lotion, hand lotion. And I'm going to go ahead and place this on the flat side of the mason jar. Just like that. So now that I have that there, it says hand lotion, and I'm able to use this as a hand lotion dispenser. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you keep your hands from being ashy. Have a good day.